Hi friend, welcome to Technology channel. If you don't subscribe, please subscribe first. In this video, I want to show you how to easily create a bootable device and create a bootable device for all of operating systems like Linux distribution, Fedora source, and Ventoy, or even Kali or Windows family like Windows 11 or in future Windows 12 or Windows Server. Okay, open your browser, search Ventoy. Okay, Ventoy. At the Ventoy page, you must go to the download and download windows.zip. Okay, size 50 megabyte. Okay, after downloading the Ventoy, you must extract it. Right click and extract here. Okay, after extracting, you must open it. Okay, now click on Ventoy and .execute it. Okay, this is Ventoy software. Okay, now we want to plug in my USB drive. My Silicon Power 32 gigabyte USB 3.1. Okay, we insert my USB to USB port. Okay, now you can close and open the software or click on refresh. Okay, now my drive came. UFD Silicon Power. Okay, you must just click on install. The partition exFAT. Okay, click on install. Click on OK. Please yes in the box below to confirm that you want to refresh, install, and upgrade. Yes. Okay. The device will be formatted and all data will be lost. Continue. Yes. Congratulations, Ventoy has successfully installed to the device. Okay, click on OK. Now the process finished and bootable device created. Now we want to install Windows 11. Click on copy and right click and click on paste. Okay, back to image. In the Ventoy software, you can easily transfer your ISO file of operating system to the Ventoy remover media. That's very easy. After one install in the Ventoy software, click on install on the Ventoy software, your bootable device will be created, and you must just copy that ISO file of operating system to your Ventoy flash drive. Okay, I want to copy Ventoy. Click on copy and right click on Ventoy and click on paste. The second copy created and back, and want to copy Windows PE. Click on right click on copy and right click on Ventoy and paste. paste. Okay, now three operating system, one in small, one Linux and one Windows, are transferred to the Ventoy flash drive. It's very easy. You can see your Ventoy device, right click, please wait to copy. Okay, you can right click and properties. Your file system exFAT for large file. If you want to have a more operating system, you must have a larger USB flash drive or use SSD via a transfer cable. That's very good. You have all of operating system in one removable media or SSD drive. You can change your SATA to USB via this transfer cable. Please wait to the process finish and show you the result. This is a Ventoy, one of software for creating removable media bootable. You can create a bootable removable media from SSD drive. By transfer SATA to USB. Okay. Please wait to job finish. You can use the ISO of the Windows Server and all of the operating system that you can install on your software. You can install Windows 7, 8.1, 11, and in future 12, and Windows Server and Linux distribution like Fedora, SUSE, and Kali and other Linux, but you need to, for Android, a simulator device like Nox and BlueStacks and Memu and other simulator. You can create a ISO from your DVD drive by Ultra ISO. Minimize this page. This is Ultra ISO. Open it. On the Tool tab, if you put the DVD of Windows, you can create a ISO of this DVD. If you have a DVD of Windows Server, Windows, or Linux, just go on Tools, make a CD DVD image to create a standard ISO. Or after creating ISO, you can copy this ISO and you can copy this ISO to Ventoy flash drive. Right click and copy and paste. This is very good. Even Windows WinPE or Surgery Sterling. Just copy and paste on the Ventoy flash drive. The format type is exFAT. That's for large file. You can see your free space and use it space by right click on your Ventoy flash drive and use it space 14 GB and free space 14 GB. The capacity of your flash drive 28.8 GB. Click on OK. If you don't format this Ventoy and just copy your ISO on the flash, you can delete it, and you have also keep your Ventoy bootable flash. You must not format it. Just if you don't like to have an operating system on this Ventoy flash, just right click, delete, or press delete key on the keyboard. Not right click and format this device. Your Ventoy settings have been deleted if you formatted this removable media. After clicking on the Ventoy software and click on install, you just need or only work transfer your ISO file into Ventoy by copy and paste. That's very good. Here, operating system.iso file. I want to copy to Ventoy. In some case, you can install Mac on your Intel CPU or PC. You can transfer your ISO to Ventoy and install from Ventoy which menu. These software are very easily and good, and you don't have any new folder to get a shortcut. You have a compressed image and you can transfer other file like office or driver to this Ventoy flash drive. Every time you want to see your free space, just right click properties and free space. Okay, click on OK and wait to copy finish. If you want to create a tutorial for software or hardware, you can write me a comment. To create a software or hardware tutorial or repairing or other thing you want, just comment me how to want or how to think you want to learn. If you have a question about the software, you can write me a comment. If you see problem in my video or you can help me to have a more and better video, you can write a comment for me. You can see at this action the write speed, multi-copy, and time remaining and item remaining size, and the percent of complete this process, and the file copy to Ventoy. To place that, the paste this operating system. You can use for better speed USB 3 flash drive. If you want to watch more video, Please subscribe my channel and suggest my channel to your friend. If you have an idea, please write me. Okay. This is my channel. You can find it by typing @technology OLCP -OLCP. For watching more video, go on the video tab and see all of my video. If your DVD drive have a problem, you can use this ISO file by right clicking and mount to drive. This is like you put your DVD in the DVD drive. These features are related to Ultra ISO, a software for creating all ISO file. This software is Ultra ISO for creating an ISO of your DVD or CD. You can go on make CD or DVD or mount file or burn CD or DVD image. Okay, after creating ISO file and click on make CD DVD ISO, click on make, you can mount on your drive by clicking mount to virtual drive, or you can right click and Ultra ISO mount to drive G. If your Windows 10 or newer, you can just click on this ISO and automatically open it. In the Windows 7, you need to install Ultra ISO software for open this ISO, like a DVD or CD. If you want to don't lose your file of your CD or DVD, create image of this DVD or CD by installing Ultra ISO and make a ISO. By creating your ISO file, you can keep your file and don't lose or other problem of CD or DVD. If your DVD drive have a problem, or CD or DVD, you can one time create ISO file and use every time. In some newer laptop, you don't have any CD or DVD. You can download ISO file. The ISO is newer and better than CD or DVD. And CD or DVD drive are deprecated. And you can download this ISO and install Ultra ISO, or in Windows 10, 11 or future Windows 12, you can open this ISO very easily. If software need this ISO, you can create an image.iso, and you don't need to put your DVD in your DVD drive. Easily you can use this ISO file and easily copy and paste. That's very helpful. Some software like Longman need this ISO file for reading the text. You can create an ISO of DVD drive of DVD and mount to drive, and you easily can have a DVD without DVD drive by this ISO. That's very easy. Right click and open Windows Explorer or Ultra ISO. Or in some time you can use WinRAR. Really. Or better, use Ultra ISO and mount to drive G. Or you can burn to disk, CD or DVD, or extract. In some case you can transfer to ISO to zip or other file, but better you have an ISO file. If you have a suggestion or learning an idea or software or hardware, you can write me and explain me how to do it, and explain for me to get this tutorial. You can learn me a newer software or hardware by write me a comment. If you know useful software or hardware or tutorial, you can suggest me by writing the comment below of this tutorial. If you want to share my video, you can share it with your friend. If you can get a clip for my channel, you can get this video and share with me to establish on my channel. I love to use your knowledge and your video on my channel. This is a technology channel for all of you. You can share your video with me. If you have a knowledge and experience about software or hardware or technology, you can share with me. Please write me a comment and upload this video and share with me. You can help me to get more quality and better video by helping you on my channel. Okay, the job here to finish. After resetting the PC, if your setting on the boot menu of BIOS is correct, automatically see a Ventoy menu. If your BIOS setting on the default, you can use boot key on the keyboard. In some laptops, use Fn plus F12, F8, F9 or other key. Okay, the Ventoy flash are ready. You can use Windows 11 or Ventoy or Windows P or other window. For testing, go on Windows 11. Put in the normal mode. Okay. Here the logo of Windows 11. Wait to came. Okay, the job started. You see the Windows 11 installation. Okay, I want to restart. click on close and click on yes again. Go on Ventoy and enter. Boot in normal mode. Okay. Ventoy save graphic. Okay. Let's see. Okay, the Ventoy will came. This is the Ventoy installation process. Go on Windows PE. Boot in normal mode. Okay. This is Windows PE, and by tabbing you can use the diagnostic part. Okay, go on Windows PE 1, enter, boot in normal mode. By pressing tab, go on testing hardware, RAM and hard disk or SSD drive. If you reset your PC or laptop during installation, you stay in inventory menu. You must use F4 local boot and 2ND local. If you change your boot priority in boot menu of BIOS. For Ventoy, better use boot key. Or you can eject your USB drive after the installation of operating system finish. Or you can set as default in the BIOS. But in the process of installation window, you must use one trick, F4 and boot to ND local disk in the process of installation operating system and enter, and the job finish. You go to continue of installation operating system. This is one of trick that we use Ventoy.